Hi yo, it's your girl Boo. Welcome to another video, you guys. It's 7:38 in the morning, and we're just starting our shift, you guys. And I have ordered $20 going a mile, and it's only 3 drops. You guys, let's start the day. I hope this day is gonna be a very great day. Yesterday, I never experienced something like that. Yesterday was super slow, yeah, super slow. And let's see how is going to be, y'all. Let's see. I'm so ready to work today. I'm so ready. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's time to start delivering my first drop off, y'all. It's time to start delivering my first drop off. She just finished putting everything in my car, and right now we are going, yeah. And it's only 5 minutes to my first drop off. Only 5 minutes, you guys. I'm so excited for today. As I'm looking, the day is going to be fantastic. Today is going to be fantastic, yeah. It's going to be so smooth. It's 8:45, you guys. 8:45, and we just received another order. $25 going to Remayo. It's only 3 drops. Good order. Very, very good order. And the pickup time is 9 o'clock. So let's see if they're gonna bring it on time. Yeah, let's see if they're gonna bring it on time. And this is our second order of the day. Second order. You guys, so I just dropped on my last drop off, my third drop off, and it was on eighth floor, eighth floor, you guys, and the person just came to pick it up by themselves. I was so happy, yo. She came with this big basket to grab her stuff. I'm like, yeah, she saved me some time, you guys. Eighth floor. Mm-hmm. So right now I'm going back at Walmart, y'all. I'm going back to get some more orders. Going back to get some more orders. Yo, you guys. I'ma believe when they put it in my car. You guys, I'ma believe it when they put it in my car. Oh my god, $50, 7 miles, and it's going three. I mean, we're only dropping. I can't even talk because I'm like so excited. You guys, I can't even talk, yo. I'm so excited. What? This is a lot. This is a lot. Wow. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. When I just saw my heart jump, is this real? $50? 7 Maya? Anyway, let's wait for it. Anyway, this is our third order of the day, you guys. Third order of the day. Wow. And it's 9:37 right now. 9:37, and our pickup time is 9:50. 9:50. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. You guys, yeah! But look at all these items, y'all. This is my first drop off. Look at all these items. It's going on B. It's going to kill me. It's going to kill me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How big is this thing? I mean, how heavy? How heavy? Oh my gosh. Yo. Am I really gonna carry this? Let's try. It's 11 o'clock right now, and we just received the fourth order of the day, you guys. Fourth order, which is $11. It's going 3 miles, and it's shopping order. I'm only shopping for 7 items, you guys. Only 7 items. Going back at Walmart to receive some more orders, and so far it's 11:30 right now, and so far we have 107, you guys. We have 107 from 7 something to 11:30. So I can smell the day's gonna be great. Today's like everything is smooth. I'm getting order every hour, which is very great. And oh, I received an order, y'all. Yep, it was an order, $28, and it's going 6 miles, and it's on. We're dropping 3 drops. Good order, very good order, and 107 plus this 28, we're gonna have 135. So 135 and it's 11. Woo, my gosh. Today we're gonna get to our goal. We're gonna get to our goal today. So my first drop off, here we go again. And this order here requires an ID check. So I have to scan an ID. So I hope they're home. I hope they are available to give me the ID. So my second drop off, it was in the same neighborhood with my first drop off. Very beautiful neighborhood, y'all. Very beautiful, very clean. Just beautiful. So I'm on my way going to my third floor. I said third floor. Maybe I'm tired. Maybe I'm hungry. Anyway, I'm on my way going to my third drop off, and yeah. I'm gonna eat after this, yeah. It's 12:13 right now. I am super hungry. Like hungry. I think I'm eating Chipotle. I'm craving Chipotle. That's what we're gonna eat today for lunch. I wanna start packing lunch, y'all, but I don't know. I don't know what to be packing, to be honest. I wanna start packing lunch. I'm gonna think about it, because this buying food every day, it's not healthy. It's not healthy for my bank account, y'all. It's not. Really need to start packing some lunch. It's 1:10 right now, you guys. 1:10, and we just received another order. $28, and it's only 2 drops, and it's going 8 miles. And she already put it in my car, so I'm about to take off. You guys, I'm loving today. We are making money today. Yo, I'm in a big trouble, y'all. I'm in a big trouble with Spark. So this is what happened, you guys. So when I was taking the order, when I was delivering my first delivery, so the person who gave me the sticker, she said, "This is for bag. This is for trunk," and I place it how I always place it. So mind you, I always double check when I go deliver to see if the items matches the names. So this time, you guys, I did not check, and guess what happened? I delivered wrong stuff to the wrong address. So when I reached my second delivery, you guys, I was like, it shows he has 20 stuff, and that only thing that I have in my car was only one items. I'm like, oh my gosh, I just delivered wrong stuff to the wrong address. And you know how Spark, they don't show you the previous address. If you already drop it, they're not gonna show you again the address. I'm like, oh my god, what should I do right now? What should I do? I was like, okay, let me call the support. So I called the support. The support, they check, and he told me, "Hey, ma'am, we can't do nothing. We can't provide you with the address, so you're gonna have to return the order." I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get in trouble. What should I do?" I said, "Let me try to follow. Let me try to go back to the previous address." So I went. I said, I couldn't find it. And then he said the best option is going to be to return it. Okay. And I processed the return. So when I processed the return, they showed me the previous address. The person who I delivered to, they showed me the address. I was like, oh yeah, I got the address. So I plugged the address in. So when I plugged the address in my GPS, I went there, and guess what? The order was still there outside waiting for me. So I grabbed the order and I switched the order. I put his order in front of the door and I grabbed the other one. Mind you, I still have the return process thing. It shows that I'm returning the order, but I didn't return it. So I was like, okay, so for this one, since I already processed the return order, what should I do right now? Should I just return it or go to the person house? I said, okay, let me just go to the person house. So I drove there, and my other so I was like, you know what? Let me call them before I do anything. So I called support. I explained to them what happened. I said, so I'm in front of the house right now. Should I deliver it or should I just return the order? And she gave me two options. She said, you can delivered the order, but your case is going. I'm going to escalate your case so the people can remove the order from your end. And the other option she gave me was to return it. I was like, okay, so if I delivered, how long will this escalate? People gonna remove this order? And she said it's going to take 24 to 48 hours. I was like, okay, I'm returning it. I'm returning it. So you guys, right now I am returning the order, y'all. I am returning the order, and please, you guys, when you're delivering your orders, double check what you're delivering. Double check if the names match. If she told you that she put it in the back seat, double check if that names matches the thing that you have at the back at the back seat, because this thing's real, you guys. You can mess up somebody's stuff like that. So right now I'm returning it. I'm on my way to return this order, you guys. What a day. Just be careful, you guys. Just be careful, because this thing, it can make you lose your job, you know. It can easily make you lose your job. So just be careful. Let's be careful, you guys. Whenever we're delivering, let's just double check. because this Walmart worker, they are they are humans too. You know, they can make a mistake. They can make a mistake. They can give you wrong stickers and say that this is for this and it's not for this. So let's just be careful. 16 shopping order. It's only going 3 miles, and we're only shopping for 3 items, y'all. 3 items. 3 items, 9 items. I don't know what I'm talking about, y'all. I really don't. $15 shopping order is going 2 miles, I think 3 miles, and we're only shopping for 3 items. Only shop for 3 items. I already shopped everything. Right now I'm going to check out, and I think for now it's for something, 4:30 maybe. So we have like 2 more hours to go home, y'all. Today is Friday. I'm working a little overtime today. $33 shopping order, you guys, and it's going 1 mile. And I'm shopping for 38 items, yeah. I started on shopping, I'm still on shopping, and very good order. And right now it's 5, y'all. It's 5. You guys, it's time to go home, y'all. It's time to go home. Right now it's 6, you guys. It's 6 o'clock. I'm ready to go home. Oh my god. Guess how much we made, you guys? Today we made 225, you guys. We reached our goal. God is good. I'm grateful. I'm thankful for everything. So I'm on my way home, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, you guys. I love you. I love you. Bye. See you tomorrow.